It's finally here. The Erin Condren Summer Surprise Box. It's $40 plus tax, and yes, I get it every year. I do have Summer Surprise Box FOMO, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So you had your choice of different sizes, I think. No, that's not true. You had your choice of different patterns that you could have. So let's read the box. You are right where you need to be. Always a nice, happy, positive quote from Erin Condren. So we have our nice tissue paper. The only thing missing was the sticker. I don't know why. Usually they have a sticker in their boxes, but that's okay. Let's just check out what's in here. So we have some pens. Oh, retractable fine liners. That's different. I actually have never heard of retractable lined pens. So let's check each of these colors out. Let me find some paper. Here we go. Oh, that's extra protective. I've never seen that either. So this looks like I'm going to call this hot pink. Huh. I actually really like that concept. Let's see. So now we have, green, mint green. Let's do a little color over here so you can see that. This is so much nicer because usually with the caps, I am sometimes irresponsible and I do lose those. I wonder if you're supposed to, I don't think you're supposed to keep that on there. Are you supposed to keep that on there? I don't think I could ever, I think it closes up. Are you supposed to put that there? I don't understand. Oh yeah, I don't think you can. Oh no, you can put that back on. Maybe these are supposed to stay on there. Maybe I'm not supposed to throw those away. Let's see. We have a corn. I'm going to call this cornflower blue, which you probably only heard of cornflower if you were ancient like me and you had Crayolas. I don't think kids have Crayolas anymore. I think they all have multiple iPads and tablets, and they probably have iPhones. I don't know what this is. I'm going to call this like a peach. And again, do I put this here? Do I not put the, these are actually kind of hard to push back in, or maybe it's just hard for me. All right. Now we have violet, or would I call this purple? I don't know. Purple doesn't sound as fancy as violet. The V makes it sound more upper crust. Anyways, so these are the pens, which may or may not need these little stoppers to go in them. But did it have directions? It did not. Using water-based ink with the 10 millimeter oh, here we go. To prevent ink from drying out, we recommend keeping it out of direct sunlight and high temperatures. Okay, that does not tell me anything about the tips, but do you like these? I like these colors. I think they're great. Okay, so we have our postcard here with all of the insert details, like a little inventory box. We have a cute little notepad, and it says sticky set. So, you know, these are notorious. I don't know why. They're just not very sticky. Anything Erin Condren makes that's supposed to be like a Post-it has like, yeah, I don't know what is up with their glue. Is it just like the world's cheapest glue? It just never stays glued on or like posted onto anything. But anyways, it says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays, SS at the top. So I guess you could pick whatever day. Again, I would never use these. They stick to nothing. So we'll just keep that closed. But you could write what you want to do today and your top 3 goals. And I don't know, I guess a little space over here for something. So that's cute. And then, stencils. I am a big fan of stencils because, as you know, like I complain all the time, I cannot draw anything to save my life. So stencils are my friend because I am not a drawer. In fact, let's try out some of our stencils with some of our new felt tip pens. Oh. And I'll take one that does not have a little topper on it. There we go. And, whoops. Guess it helps if you hold it in place. And then we have little dots here. And we have a heart. Okay, maybe the stencils are not enough to counteract my bad drawing skills. Yeah, I don't know. The stencils are not working like I thought they would. Oh my gosh, I'm just terrible at this. Okay. Yeah, not looking as great as I thought. Okay, so, but this looks like it can create lines for you. Let's see. Oops. I'm just drawing on the stencil now. Yep. Oh, those are pretty straight. So yeah, so I think it could be useful once I learn apparently how to use stencils. And we have stickers, and they are gold foily stickers. So we have, and they obviously match this sort of I'm going to call this like a pastel format. It's not bright like I thought summer would be, but it's definitely colorful. Come out, come out, come out. All right. So we have days of the week, and we have shapes. I'm just going to call them shapes. I guess they're like flowers. Oh, all right. So let's put this on something. There we go. That's pretty. All right. And what else do we have? And we have I think this is a notebook. Oh, it's upside down. Yep. Take note. Perpetual notebook. Do the right thing. So, oh, how nice is that? I love that. I've never seen this in an Erin Condren anything. So this is my new favorite feature. Oh, look at that. So every single page is exactly the same. I know you're like, big surprise, Lisa, it's a notebook. But I do love that. So we could go to, like today, the day I'm filming this, grab one of these handy dandy pens, and we could say it's June, and it's June 4th. How's that? And then I could make my to-do list. Edit video. And upload. How's that? Okay, so that's a wrap. This actually has a lot of pages in it, in case you were wondering. I'm very impressed with how many pages are in here. It's kind of thick. So we got a lot of pages in here. I bet the postcard that I tossed to the side will tell me how many. Nope, just kidding. 7x9 quill notebook with special interior. Look at that, special. And then, oh yeah, here we go. So here's what I had the choice between: the Birds of Paradise or the Pastel Sun. I chose the Pastel Sun. I'm not really into birds. I think probably the birds look more like these decorations maybe. But yeah, so still a question. I don't know whether I need, I'm just going to say I don't need that little cap on here, because that would just make it like, who could keep track of these tiny little things? Plus I'm worried the cat will get them and then choke on them. So anyways, so that is, oh wait, there's one more thing. There's washi tape. Actually, I'm not really a big fan of washi tape. And plus they're just not that sticky, the ones that come from Erin Condren, but I'll open these up so you can see them. I know you're probably like, that is not the right way to open them. But it's working. Or is it? Oh, yep, it's working. It totally worked. Oh, oh. That's unique. That's different. They're like dots, all interconnected together. I don't know what's going on with this washi tape. So, yeah, it looks like just a bunch of confetti dots that are taped together. And let's see, I think the other one, I believe, is the exact same. There, we got a little arrow there trying to tell me what to do. Oh, that was just the cover. And how do I start this? I don't know where the beginning is. I'm just gonna pull something off. Oh, that was not, I chose wrongly. So I'm just gonna say this could be a bracelet for a small baby toddler. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't think, is that what it's supposed to be? Just one? These are just coming off as singles instead of one by one. What does it say? Washi tape duo. Okay, I don't know how to use this second one, but this first one with the dots, I don't know if I really know how to use that one either. It just kind of stopped when it felt like stopping. and I don't know how to restart it. There we go. I mean, that seems kind of thick, right? Is that even right? Oh, yeah. I'm just going to say I mean, points for originality. I don't know if I'm a fan of this washi tape. Oh, I guess it's double layered. It's very confusing. Maybe it's just very confusing for me. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know. It's really thick. I guess you could just put it on your wrist like a friendship bracelet. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, that's a wrap for the seasonal summer surprise box. Overall, I thought everything was great. The washi tape, I'm not a fan of washi tape anyway, but this was just kind of even extra weird. Stickers, very pretty. Pens, love, love, love these pens. Notebook, special, what they call it? The special formatting? Special top? Oh, special interior. I love the special interior. Love the pens. Totally 10 out of 10. And then this, I mean, I like it. It's like a little notepad. These, in case you're wondering, these aren't sticky. Only the top part was like the sticky. These are sticky, but this is just like a tearaway piece of paper. So, but yeah, that's a wrap.